Across the planet there are trees that are so extraordinary they feel unreal. Trees are among Earth's most extraordinary living wonders, ranging from ancient giants to uniquely shaped species, each showcasing incredible adaptations, breathtaking beauty, and the quiet power of nature's endurance and growth. So these are the most incredible trees in the world. Number 20. Jacaranda tree. Have you ever seen a tree that looks like it is raining purple flowers? The jacaranda tree is a very beautiful ornamental tree known for its bright violet-blue flowers. These flowers change whole streets into dreamlike places every spring. The jacaranda tree comes from South America, especially Brazil and Argentina. It grows best in warm places where there is no frost. It is also widely grown in countries like Pakistan, South Africa, and Australia. This tree has fern-like leaves and trumpet-shaped flowers which create a strong and beautiful contrast when it is in bloom. Besides its beauty, the jacaranda also gives light shade. It is often linked with creativity, new beginnings, and peace, which is why it is commonly planted in parks, gardens, and city roads around the world. Number 19. General Sherman tree. Ever wondered what it feels like to stand next to a living giant that is older than most civilizations? The General Sherman tree, found in California's Sequoia National Park, is the largest known living single-stem tree on Earth when measured by volume. This giant sequoia is believed to be more than 2,200 years old. It stands about 275 feet tall, and its trunk is so huge that the base is more than 100 feet around in circumference. The tree is named after Civil War General William Tecumseh Sherman, and it represents strength and long life in nature. Even though it is not the tallest tree in the world, its enormous size makes it one of nature's greatest wonders. It attracts visitors from all over the world every year. Number 18. Angel Oak tree. Have you ever stood under a tree that feels like it comes from a fantasy world? The Angel Oak tree, located on Johns Island near Charleston, South Carolina, is one of the oldest and most amazing living oak trees in the United States. It is estimated to be more than 400 to 500 years old. The tree grows about 65 feet tall, but it spreads out very widely, about 180 feet across. Its large spreading branches form a natural shape that looks like a cathedral made of wood and leaves. The thick canopy gives deep shade and creates a calm, magical feeling underneath it. Even after many hurricanes and the passing of time, the Angel Oak tree is still alive and strong. It represents strength, history, and the long-lasting beauty of nature in America. Number 17. The flamboyant tree. You will be surprised by seeing a tree that looks like it is glowing with fiery flowers. The flamboyant tree, also known as the Royal Poinciana, originally comes from Madagascar. It is one of the most beautiful decorative trees in the world. This tree is grown in many warm places, including parts of the United States such as Florida, Hawaii, and California. In the summer season it produces bright red, orange, and flame-like flowers that make it look like it is covered in fire-colored blossoms. The flamboyant tree can grow up to 40 feet tall. It has wide umbrella-shaped branches that give a lot of shade. It grows quickly and is very striking to look at. Because of its beauty, it is often considered one of the most attractive flowering trees in the world. Number 16. Ginkgo biloba tree. A living fossil that has survived for almost 200 million years without major changes, the Ginkgo biloba tree is one of the oldest surviving species in nature. It originally comes from China and is the only remaining member of an ancient plant group that once existed across the Earth during the time of dinosaurs. Its leaves are shaped like fans and turn a bright golden yellow in the autumn season, creating very beautiful city views in many parts of the world. This tree is extremely strong and resistant. It can survive pollution, radiation, and very harsh conditions. It is even known for surviving the atomic bombing in Hiroshima. Today, the Ginkgo biloba tree is seen as a strong symbol of long life, endurance, and timeless natural beauty. Number 15. Strangler fig. You will be amazed to hear about a tree that starts its life high up in another tree and slowly takes it over. The strangler fig is one of nature's most interesting and dramatic trees. It is found in tropical forests around the world, including parts of Asia, Africa, and South America. It begins its life when a seed is dropped by a bird into the branches of a host tree. As it grows, its roots slowly wrap around the host tree and spread downward. Over time, these roots become thick and form a large structure that surrounds the original tree, leaving it hollow inside. Eventually, the strangler fig can live longer than the tree it started on and completely replace it. It has large aerial roots and a very complex shape, which makes it look unusual and powerful. It is seen as a symbol of survival, competition, and how forests naturally change over time. Number 14, Baobab tree. A tree that looks like it was planted upside down with its roots reaching into the sky. The baobab tree is one of the most famous and unusual trees in the world. It is native to the dry savannas of Africa, Madagascar, and some parts of Australia. The baobab is also known as the tree of life. It can live for more than 1,000 years. It survives long dry periods by storing thousands of liters of water inside its huge trunk. Its thick bottle-shaped trunk and few branches give it a strange and almost unreal appearance. The baobab tree is very important for both animals and people. It provides food, medicine, and shelter. Because of this, it plays a key role in supporting wildlife and local communities. Number 13, Cannonball tree. The cannonball tree Curopita guianensis is a very interesting tropical tree that comes from the rainforests of South America, especially Brazil. It is now also grown in many warm regions around the world, including parts of Asia and in tropical gardens. This tree is well known for its large, round, heavy fruits that look like cannonballs. These fruits hang from long stalks, which makes them even more noticeable. Its flowers are also very beautiful. They grow directly from the trunk of the tree instead of the branches. These flowers have pink-red petals and a strong smell. The cannonball tree is often found near temples and gardens. People admire it for its beauty, its symbolic meaning, and its very unusual way of growing. Number 12, Chandelier tree. Would you drive through a living giant tree that is thousands of years old? The chandelier tree in Leggett, California is one of the most interesting natural attractions in the world. This giant coast redwood tree is estimated to be more than 2,400 years old. It grows to about 315 feet tall, which makes it extremely large and impressive. In the 1930s, a tunnel was cut through the base of the tree. Because of this tunnel, cars can actually drive right through the living tree. The tree is called the chandelier tree because its branches spread out widely and look similar to a hanging chandelier. Even today, it is a popular roadside attraction. Many travelers stop there to see and experience this ancient living giant up close. Number 11, Dark Hedges. The Dark Hedges is a road that looks like it belongs in a fantasy world but hides centuries of history. This tunnel of beech trees is located along Brigar Road. It was planted in the 18th century by the Stuart family for Gracehill House. Over time, the trees grew and their branches bent and twisted together, forming a natural arch over the road. This is what makes it look like a long, tree-covered tunnel. Today, it is one of the most photographed roads in the world. It also became famous because it was used as the King's Road in the TV series Game of Thrones. There are also old legends connected to this place. People talk about the Grey Lady ghost, which adds a mysterious and slightly scary feeling to its beautiful and cinematic appearance. Number 10, Gushing Water tree. A hidden natural wonder where a tree seems to leak water from its roots has fascinated visitors in Montenegro. This is known locally as a rare gushing water tree. It happens when underground springs push water up through the soil and out around the base of the tree. Because of this, it looks like the tree itself is releasing or flowing water. It is surrounded by untouched forest scenery, which makes the place feel very peaceful and natural. The effect creates an almost magical illusion, as if life is flowing directly from the tree. Travelers often stop in amazement when they see it. The constant stream of water combined with the quiet forest environment makes it one of the most unusual and beautiful sights in the country. Number 9. Pando trees. A forest that is actually one single living organism sounds impossible, yet that is exactly what Pando is. Located in Utah, USA, Pando is a huge clonal colony of quaking aspen trees. All of these trees are connected by one ancient root system, which means it is technically one of the oldest and heaviest living organisms on Earth. It is estimated to weigh thousands of tons and spread across more than 100 acres of land. Even though it looks like many separate trees, it is actually one living system working together. Pando survives by constantly renewing itself. It grows new stems while older trunks die over time. This continuous cycle of growth and replacement keeps it alive for thousands of years. Because of this, Pando is not just a forest. It is a powerful example of resilient survival and long-lasting life in nature. Number 8. Cedars of Lebanon. The legendary forest of the Cedars of Lebanon is one of the oldest and most famous natural landmarks in the world. It is located in Cedars of God Ars Al Rab. These ancient cedar trees once grew across large areas of the Middle East. Many early civilizations such as the Egyptians, Phoenicians and Romans valued this wood because it is strong and has a pleasant smell. They used it for building temples and ships. Today only a small group of these trees is left. Some of them are believed to be more than 1,000 years old. They still stand as quiet survivors of a very long history. These cedars are respected in religious writings and are also an important symbol of the country. They are not only trees but also living pieces of history that are deeply connected to Lebanon's culture and nature. Number 7. Deadfly trees. A place that feels frozen in time for nearly 1,000 years shows one of nature's most surreal scenes. This is the haunting beauty of the deadfly trees in Deadfly. These ancient camel thorn trees died when moving sand dunes blocked their water supply. However, the extreme desert heat did not allow them to decay normally. Instead, it preserved their dark, burnt-looking skeletons. They stand in sharp contrast against the bright white salt pan and the tall orange sand dunes around them. This combination creates one of the most surreal landscapes on Earth. Even though they are no longer alive, the trees remain frozen in place. They silently tell a story about climate change, survival, and the extreme conditions of nature. Number 6. Brain-like cholla cactus trees. A desert plant that looks almost alive as if it has its own mind shows the strange beauty of the brain-like cholla cactus trees in the American Southwest. These cholla cacti are found in places like Arizona. They grow in thick, twisted groups that look like tangled nerve networks or even a human brain. Their jointed arms break off very easily and stick to anything that touches them. This helps the plant spread and grow across dry desert areas. Even though they look unusual and a bit eerie, they survive very hot weather with very little water. Their ability to survive in extreme conditions makes them look like a natural piece of art shaped by evolution. Number 5. Olive tree of Crete. A living monument that has seen thousands of years of history still stands quietly under the Mediterranean sun, the ancient olive trees of Crete. Among these, the most famous is the olive tree of Vouvs. It is believed to be between 2,000 and 4,000 years old, and it still produces olives even today. Its trunk is twisted and hollow, and it shows how it has survived for a very long time through wars, changing civilizations and different climates. Olive trees in Crete are strongly connected to Greek culture, mythology, and everyday life. They are seen as symbols of peace, wisdom, and strength. Even now, these trees continue to grow and survive, making them some of the oldest cultivated trees on Earth. Number 4. Judas tree. A tree that looks like it is blooming straight out of a painting becomes even more magical when spring arrives. The purple heart tree, also known as the Judas tree. It is well known for its stunning display of bright pinkish-purple flowers that grow directly from its bare branches. These flowers make the tree look very colorful and unusual. The tree is native to the Mediterranean region and Western Asia. It often flowers before its leaves grow, which creates a striking contrast between the bright blossoms and its dark trunk and branches. According to legend, this is the tree on which Judas Iscariot hanged himself, which gives it a dark and historical story along with its beauty. Today the purple heart tree is seen as a symbol of new beginnings, mystery and natural beauty. Number 3. Quiver tree. Imagine a tree growing and surviving in a harsh desert like a living sculpture. The quiver tree, also known scientifically as Aloe dichotoma, is a very unique succulent plant. It is native to the dry desert areas of Namibia and some parts of South Africa. This tree can grow up to 9 meters tall. It survives in extreme heat by storing water inside its thick trunk, which helps it live in very dry conditions where many plants cannot survive. Its branches were traditionally used by the San people to make quivers for carrying arrows, which is how it got its name. The quiver tree produces glowing yellow flowers during winter. Its strange and beautiful branching shape makes it look almost unreal or dreamlike. It is seen as a strong symbol of survival strength and the beauty of desert life. Number 2. Welwitschia plant. The extraordinary Welwitschia plant that looks more like a living relic from another planet than something on Earth is found in the Namib Desert of Namibia. This ancient desert plant produces only 2 leaves during its entire life. However, these leaves continue growing for a very long time. As they grow, they twist, tear and split into tangled ribbon-like shapes over many centuries. Some Welwitschia plants are estimated to be between 1,000 and 2,000 years old. They survive in the harsh desert mainly by collecting moisture from fog and rare rainfall. With its strange, almost alien appearance and its ability to survive extreme conditions, Welwitschia is a remarkable survivor from very ancient times. It gives us a glimpse into a prehistoric world of plants on Earth. Number 1. Tree of Life. The famous Tree of Life in Bahrain is a single tree standing alone in the middle of an endless desert, and it has puzzled travelers for centuries. It is known locally as Shajarat al-Hayat. This mesquite tree is estimated to be more than 400 years old. It grows in one of the driest areas on Earth, and there is no clear visible source of water near it. Scientists think that its deep roots may reach hidden underground water sources, but its exact way of surviving is still not fully understood. Surrounded by empty sand dunes, it has become a strong symbol of endurance, resilience, and the hidden strength of life in very extreme conditions.